Uh, I would like to bring forward this reflective journaling point which you had brought forward. In a school setting, we are coming with something called as holistic progress card from Parak. So from nursery, there is one section dedicated for self-assessment, and if you see the questions that they are being asked to prod on is nothing but reflective journaling.
Agreed.
So NEP is trying to bring this aspect into education. Already we LKG to second standard report card we are starting to do from this academic year itself, and gradually till 10th standard in a year or two. So this reflecting journaling will be a part of our report cards, progress card. Report card नहीं बोलते हम लोग उसको अभी, progress card. So you should be happy regarding that. And there was this another initiative you said, flow the chapter and pass the baton. So it does is happening in schools in a different format. We don't ask the student to teach. Like the way I'll tell you how I do it. Like I'm in 11th, 12th. So I say, now you have two students will be my TAs. You will initiate the chapter. And then I will take you through. But you have to bring the numericals. And then you have to assist me in getting those numerical done in the class. So something like this is really happening in the schools because of it this last 3-4 years with CBSE bringing it with new kinds of pedagogies and all. Things are changing in school, definitely.
I definitely agree that things are changing. But that's again on an auxiliary side. It needs to be brought in your day-to-day in mathematics. If a person is teaching maths, and I'm talking about UGs now. If you're teaching maths, if you're teaching biology, in that if the perception is to finish that syllabus, then we are working on the pebbles. If the perception is to make them understand the concept and make it applied, you're working still on the sand. But if you are implementing all of that, the glass would completely be full.